This is one of our, it's just your standard small block here. I've got an air flip filter on top of a carburetor, on top of an intake manifold. It goes to the heads. All right, so this is what it looks like with no air cleaner. Okay, I've got a carburetor here. The carburetor has these venturis, that's that shape that's on the inside of that. As air passes over that, it creates a low pressure, kind of like an airplane wing. So from this point here, or the throttle plate, from the throttle plate down, this is all low pressure right here. This is the intake manifold. So when the valve opens, I'll show you a valve. When the valve opens, so here's another intake, that's an intake runner right there. When that intake valve opens and the piston then moves down, it's gonna suck vacuum through here. Anything underneath that throttle plate, again, this is the same. There's throttle plates in that carburetor, and there's that same Venturi design right there. So everything from the throttle plate to the piston is under a low pressure. That's right here. If you wanted to tap into this system, it's real easy. We've got a spot for a vacuum line right there. There's a couple other ports over there for vacuum. Okay. Look, slightly different on some of these engines. Okay, this is an Edelbrock engine, so it's a little bit different, but same thing. You've got a vacuum port right there. You got a couple more over here. So this is again, the throttle plate is in there. So the low pressure is everywhere from there down through the intake manifold to the piston itself, or the cylinder, which is down here. The vacuum gauge. Create a vacuum leak. Attach the gauge. Come on. Let's see if I can do this. Data display. There we go. So open up RPMs, upper left corner. All right, and now we'll scroll through. There's map sensor V, right side. You're on it. Map sensor V, voltage. Okay, and then there should be one that says map sensor and pressure. Over here. Manifold vacuum, inches of mercury, right there. Yep. And let's go up on the other side and pull up barometric pressure too, just for the fun of it. Keep going up. I saw it in there. All right, baro, yep, right there. All right. I want to record that. All right. Go ahead and induce a vacuum leak. See what happened to our vacuum. I'd hit the throttle a little bit, try to be smooth.